Hi guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class we are going to be talking about the formula method. In my previous videos I have explained the factorization method, the completing the square method. Now we are under the formula method. Are you following now? All right, so under this formula method we are going to be solving the same example. Are you seeing that now? Don't forget, I told you while under the factorization method that any question you solve, the answer you get will be the same answer you will get if you use completing the square method, and it will also be the same answer you will get if you use this formula method now. Are you following now? All right, so we are going to be seeing some few questions, and then we will solve and we are going to go from there. All right, so now we have the first question here. The first question here says that we want to solve x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. So our solution. Now, if you look at this one now, you know our form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals what? 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. So if I have a question like x squared minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0, that means my a here is what? 1. There is an invisible 1 here. Are you seeing that? So a is 1. Then our b is what? Minus 5. This one, this is our b. Are you seeing? This is our b here. So you see that? Then our c now, our c is what? Is minus 14. Are you seeing that? Minus 14. So all we have to do is to impute it into our what? Into our formula. And what's our formula? Our formula is what? X equals to what? Minus b plus or minus square root of what? B squared minus 4ac all over what? 2a. So that means our x is now going to be what? Minus, open bracket, our b. What's our b? Minus 5. You can see that I had to open bracket to put it, because if I do not do that I will get a wrong answer. Are you seeing that now? Then plus or minus square root of what? So this plus or minus square root of b squared, that's minus 5 squared. You can see the way I'm putting it in bracket. Minus 5 squared. Let me write that square. So minus 5 squared, then minus 4. What's our a? 1. What's our c? Our c is what? Minus 14. So minus 14. Do you see that now? Then all over what? 2a. So that means our x is now going to be what? Minus times minus. This minus here, this our minus here, times this minus. So that will give us what? Plus 5. So that's plus 5 plus or minus square root of what? Minus 5 square. Minus 5 square is minus 5 times minus 5. So minus 5 times minus 5 will give us 25. Are you seeing that? Then minus times minus, minus 4 times minus 14. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Then if you do 4 times 14, 4 times 14 will give you what? 4 times 14 will give you 56. Are you seeing that now? All over what? 2a. Are you following now? I mean, sorry, our a is 1 now. So this is 2 into bracket 1. I should have put it here too. Let me put it here also. Our a is 1. So I'm going to have 2 into bracket 1 here. Are you seeing that now? So now we are good to go. So all I need to do now is our x will now be what? We will now have x equals to 5 plus or minus square root of what? You know, here we have 25 plus 56. I think 25 plus 56, that's what? 81. 25 plus 56, that's what? 81 all over what? 2. That means we are going to have what? We are going to have x is equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 81 is what? 9 all over what? 2. That means our x will now be equal to what? 5. Now you now separate the sign. You can see the sign is in front of 9, so that will be 5 plus 9 all over 2, or 5 minus 9 all over what? 2. Can you see that now? That means our x is now equals to what? 14 over 2, or minus 4 over 2. That means x is equal to what now? 7 or minus 2. You can see. And if you check the question we solved using factorization method, you will notice that we got the same answer. Are you seeing that now? You will notice that we got the same answer. All right. So that is how you are going to do the first example. So this is how you are going to do the first example. All right. So now we have the second example. Second example says 4y squared plus 5y minus 21. 4y squared. So we have the second question that I want to solve now. I hope you understand the first question. All right. So if you don't understand the first question, feel free to ask question in the comments section. I get what I'm saying. If there is anything you do not understand, please ask questions in the comments section. I get what I'm saying now. Ask question in the comment section. So to our next question now. Our next question says 4y squared. So we have 4y squared plus what? 5y minus 21 equals to what? 0. So we should be able to use this space for this one. All right. So our formula. Okay, let's first take our this thing. So our a here is going to be what? 4. I think that our b will be what now? 5, and our c will be what? Minus 21. You see, anyone that have minus in front, you will always put the minus there. Anyone that has minus in front, you will always put what? You will always put the minus there. All right. So our formula will now be what? Y equals to minus b plus or minus square root of what? B squared minus 4ac all over what? 2a. Are you seeing that now? So that will be our formula. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. That will be our formula. All right. So if that is the case, then now you may be asking, why am I using y here and not x? Because the variable we have here is what? Is y. So it only makes sense that I use y here also. Are you following now? All right. So let's do that now. So we are going to have y equals to minus, what's our b now? Our b is what? 5. You can see, because it's not having minus, I just write it directly. But when it is having minus, you put it in brackets. Should you get that now? All right. So the next thing, plus or minus, are you seeing that? Then square root of what? B squared, that's what? 5 squared minus 4 into our a here is what? 4, then into minus 21. Are you seeing that? All over what? 2 into what? 4. Are you seeing that now? All over 2 into 4. So all I need to do now will now be what? Y equals to, are you seeing that now? Y equals to what? Minus 5 plus or minus square root of what? 5 square is what? 25. Minus times minus, that give us what? Plus. 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. I think that 4 times 4 is 16. So I'll just do 16 times 21. So 16 times 21 will give us 336 all over what? 2 times 4. That is what? 8. Are you seeing that now? So I will now have y equals to what? Minus 5 plus or minus square root of what? 336 plus what now? 336 plus 25. So that will give us 361 all over what? 8. Are you seeing that now? That will now become y equals to what? Minus 5 plus or minus square root of what? I'm sorry, I don't need square root again. Square root of 361. Square root of 361 is what? 19. Are you seeing that? Square root of 361 is what? 19 all over what? 8. That means our y will now become what? Minus 5. Are you seeing that? Minus 5 plus what? 19, or minus 5 minus 19 all over what? 8 all over what? 8. Are you seeing that? So this will now become y equals to minus 5 plus 19 will give us what? 14 over what? Over 8. Or minus 5 minus 19, that will give us minus 24 over what? Over 8. Are you seeing that? That now become y equal to what? 2 year 7, 2 year 7, 2 year 4. Are you seeing that now? 2 year 7, 2 year 4. So this is 7 over 4, or 8 year 3, 8 year 1. So this is, or what? Minus 3. You can see this is our final answer for this question. Are you seeing that now? So this is how you are going to be dealing with questions like this. All right. So if you have questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget the formula. The formula is x equals to what? Minus b plus or minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac all over 2a. All right. So we see this first question, which is x square minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0, and we got our answers to be what? 7 or minus 2. And then we solve the second one. The second one, which is what? 4y squared plus 5y minus 21, and we got our answer now to be what? 7 over 4 or minus 3. Are you seeing that now? All right, so let's see one more question. Let's see one more question. Let's see this number 3. Okay, let's see number 5, which is positive, positive, positive. So we have x squared plus 7x. This number 5 question, plus 7x plus what? Plus 10 equal to what? 0. Now I want to see this one so that you can have an understanding of what I'm trying to say. Let me clean this so that you will get it well. All right, so we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals to what? Equals to 0. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, so if you want to do this now, now your a is what? I'm sure you know. If it's not having any coefficient, that means your a is what? 1. Now your b is what? 7, and your c is what? Your c is 10. You can see that this one is very easy because they are all positive. So our formula is x equals to what? Minus b plus or minus square root of what? B squared minus what? 4ac all over what? 2a. Are you seeing that now? So that will now become what? X is equals to what? Minus, what's your b now? 7 plus or minus, are you seeing, plus or minus square root of what? 7 squared minus 4 into what's your a now? 1 into what's your c? 10. Are you seeing that? All over what? 2 into what's your a? 1. Are you seeing that? That now become what? X is equals to what? Minus 7 plus or minus 7 square is what? 49. You can see minus times plus, that's minus. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 10, 40. Are you seeing that now? All over what? 2 times 1, that's 2. So we are going to have what? X is equals to what now? Minus 7 plus or minus square root of what now? 9, because 49 minus 40 is 9 all over what? 2. So that now become x is equals to what? Minus 7 plus or minus what? Square root of 9 is what? 3 all over what? 2. So that will now become x is equal to, now we separate the sign, that will be minus 7 plus 3 over what? Over 2, or minus 7 minus 3 over what? Over 2. Minus 7 minus 3 over 2. So this will now become x equal to minus 7 plus 3 that will give us what? Minus 7 plus 3, that will give us minus 4 over 2. Or minus 7 minus 3, that will give us minus 10 over 2. So our x here will now be what? Minus 2 or minus 5, because 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Are you seeing that now? So that is how we got our answers to the what? Minus 2 or minus 5. Alright, so we've seen quite some numbers of questions. I've solved this number 1 now. I have solved number 2, and I've also solved number 5. So you can try number 3 as assignment, try number 3 and number 4 as assignment. So God's love students, do the assignment, submit to the right authority. And for every other people, please comment your answer in the comments section. Are you seeing that now? If there are also questions, feel free to ask under the comments section. If you have not seen my videos on factorization, completing the square method, feel free to do that. By clicking on the link in the description of this video. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you, and do have a great day.